Fantasy sports have become a multi-billion-dollar industry, with millions of fans creating teams, joining contests, and competing throughout every sports season. Platforms like DraftKings have shown how sports, technology, competition, and live data can come together inside one scalable product. But building a successful fantasy sports platform in 2026 requires more than launching contests. Users now expect live scoring, useful player insights, private leagues, social features, and a smooth experience across devices. In this video, we'll explain how the DraftKings-style business model works, how these platforms generate revenue, and what you need to build one. How the business model works: users create virtual teams using real players from professional sports leagues. Those players earn points based on their performance in actual games, and users compete in public contests or private leagues. The platform manages player data, contest rules, live scoring, entry payments, rewards, user accounts, and administrative controls. Revenue can come from contest commissions, premium memberships, sponsored competitions, advertising, brand partnerships, and private or corporate leagues. Fantasy sports laws vary by country, and, in some cases, by state or province. They are permitted in many US states and parts of Canada, and can operate under regulated frameworks in the UK and Australia. Countries such as the UAE and Saudi Arabia have much stricter rules, or may prohibit such platforms. Always confirm the legal requirements in your target market before launching. Building for 2026 a modern fantasy sports platform should go beyond basic team selection. AI can recommend lineups, compare matchups, track player injuries, send live alerts, and provide personalized insights. The goal is not to copy DraftKings screen by screen. It is to use a proven model and adapt it for a specific sport, region, or audience. If you're planning to build a fantasy sports platform, connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building sports, gaming, and fan engagement products. Click the link in the description, tell us about your project, and our team will reach out to schedule a free consultation. Now, let's see how the platform works in a real-world demo. Now let's explore the AI-powered fantasy sports platform from a user's perspective. This app allows users to discover live contests, build AI-powered fantasy teams, participate in competitions across multiple sports, and track their performance in real time. As soon as we log in, we arrive at the home screen. At the top, we can view the available wallet balance. Some logos shown throughout the app are illustrative placeholders and can be replaced with official branding when integrated with the respective partners. As we scroll down, we can explore featured matches with details such as the prize pool and entry fee. The platform also provides AI team recommendations, allowing users to instantly join contests with AI-generated teams instead of creating one manually. Further below, users can browse upcoming contests, join their preferred competitions, or create their own fantasy team before the match begins. Next, we move on to contests. This section allows users to discover and join available contests. At the top, there is a search bar along with filters for all, entry fee, prize pool, and contest size, making it easy to find the right competition. Users can also switch between public contests, private contests, and My Contests. Each contest displays important details such as the available slots, prize pool, entry fee, and participant count before joining. Next, we move on to Live. Here, users can track all ongoing fantasy contests in real time. They can view their current rank, fantasy points, leaderboard position, and overall team performance. Live player statistics are continuously updated throughout the match, allowing users to monitor their progress as the contest unfolds. Next, we move on to Wallet. This section allows users to manage their funds by adding money to their account and reviewing their complete transaction history. Users can easily track deposits, contest entry fees, winnings, and withdrawals from a single screen. Finally, we move on to Profile. Here, users can manage their personal profile and view their overall fantasy performance, including total contests joined, wins, win rate, and average earnings. The My Activity section provides quick access to joined contests, saved teams, transaction history, and winning history. Users can also manage account settings, including KYC verification, notification preferences, referral and rewards, and linked accounts. At the bottom, the Support and Information section provides access to help and support, terms and conditions, privacy policy, About Us, and the logout option. And with this, we come to the end of the AI-powered fantasy sports platform user app demo. Now, let's take a look at the admin panel of the AI-powered fantasy sports platform. This centralized dashboard allows administrators to manage users, sports leagues, live matches, contests, player data, payments, analytics, and overall platform operations from a single interface. As soon as we log into the dashboard, we get a complete overview of the platform. At the top, we can monitor the total number of users, active contests, live matches, today's entry revenue, total prize pool, and pending withdrawals. As we scroll down, we can track user growth from January to July, followed by the contest revenue graph over the same period. We also get a participation breakdown across different sports, including soccer, cricket, basketball, American football, and other sports. The dashboard also displays the live platform status, where API services, the payment gateway, database, and CDN network are fully operational, while the live score feed is experiencing a minor delay. At the bottom, we can monitor recent platform activities, including contest entries, deposits, withdrawals, and their current status. Next, we move on to user management. At the top, we can monitor the total number of users, active users, verified users, and blocked users. The user database consists of the user ID, customer name, country, KYC status, wallet balance, contests joined, total winnings, and the user's current status, whether active or suspended. This allows administrators to efficiently manage millions of users from a single dashboard. Next, we move on to sports and leagues. This section manages all sports and league information available on the platform. At the top, we can monitor the total sports, active leagues, live matches, and registered players. The league database includes sports such as American football, basketball, baseball, soccer, and cricket, along with their respective leagues including the NFL, NBA, MLB, Premier League, UEFA, Champions League, La Liga, IPL, and Big Bash. Each record also displays the current season, matches played, registered players, active users, revenue generated, and the league's current status. Next, we move on to match management. This section allows administrators to manage upcoming, live, and completed matches. At the top, we can monitor upcoming matches, live matches, completed matches, and fantasy-enabled matches. The match schedule includes the match name, league, participating teams, scheduled start time, contest count, fantasy availability, and the current match status, whether upcoming, live, completed, or postponed. Next, we move on to players. At the top, we can monitor the total number of players, active players, injured players, and top performers. The player database includes player name, team, sport, playing position, fantasy credits, current fantasy points, injury status, and availability status. This allows administrators to keep player information updated across all fantasy contests. Next, we move on to contest management. Here, we can monitor the total contests, live contests, total entry revenue, and total prize pool. The contest database includes the contest name, associated match, contest type such as mega contest, head-to-head, private league, free contest, or sponsored contest, along with the entry fee, prize pool, participant count, winning positions, and the contest status, whether live, completed, draft, or cancelled. Next, we move on to wallet and payments. This section manages all financial transactions across the platform. At the top, we can monitor total deposits, total withdrawals, pending withdrawals, and platform commission. The transaction history includes the transaction ID, user details, transaction types such as deposit, withdrawal, winning credit, or entry fee, along with the amount, payment method, transaction status, and date. Next, we move on to reports and analytics. At the top, we can monitor monthly revenue, active users, contest completion rate, and average entry value. Below that, we can review the revenue trend and user growth graphs. The platform also allows administrators to generate new reports, while the generated report section displays the report name, reporting period, generated date, current status, and available actions. Finally, we move on to settings. This section allows administrators to configure platform-wide settings. They can customize fantasy point rules for different in-game events, configure contest rules including participation fees and prize distribution, and manage payment settings by enabling supported payment methods. Administrators can also define withdrawal limits, including minimum withdrawal amounts, daily, weekly, and monthly limits, along with processing time. Notification settings for email, SMS, and push notifications can be managed here, while admin roles and permissions allow access control for roles such as super admin, operations manager, finance manager, and sports agent. Finally, security settings include two-factor authentication, session timeout, login attempts, and IP whitelisting. And with this, we come to the end of the AI-powered fantasy sports platform admin panel demo. As you just saw, a fantasy sports platform brings together live sports data, competition, payments, and fan engagement inside one digital ecosystem. At Code Brew Labs, we build scalable fantasy sports platforms tailored to specific markets, sports, and business models. If you'd like to explore your idea, click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and our team will reach out to schedule a free consultation. Let's build a fantasy sports platform that turns live sports into an engaging and scalable digital business. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on building real-world digital products.